Score, 7-2. In favor of NB's and Wemby's team. Nagkakampi si ano? Si Wemby ka, si ano?
Ay! Bobo! 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 Kapote si Manny. Bobo!
Sablay. Uy! Madi. Pass to Carl. Boarding by Carl. Score. 9-4. Mike. 2 points by Mike. Wemby. Pass to Elvis.
Tara, tara, bibili tayo.
Wemby, fire. No good. Jefferson. Pass to Yape. Pass to Mikey. 2 points, Mikey. Up. Same ball. Score 9-6. 7 minutes and 58. Uy, 3 points. No good. Carl. Bad pass. Jericho. Downhill. Oops. In and out. Mikey, follow up. 2 points. By Mikey. Up. Nawala. Jericho, long 2. 2-pointer by Jericho. Madi, pass to Campanero. Uy, go hard. Sayang, soft touch. Pass break. Uy, nawala. Nabitawan. Carl. Atake. Turn around. Hesitate. Oy, teardrop, no good. Jericho, pass to Yape. Nice pass to Mikey. Mikey, 2-pointer. Score is 9-12 of the first half. Uy, pass to Madi. Madi to Wemby. Fake. Oy, traffic. LB, so teamwork yun, no? Uy, fadeaway shot. By Madi. 12-11. Mikey, na libre. Too short. Yape. Foul. It was a foul. Mikey again. Power moves by Mikey. Time remaining 5 minutes and 4 seconds. 11-14, 3 points lang. Lamang pala yung kabila. Kala ko lamang sila Wemby. 14-11. Three-point lead. Yape. Matulis. Padi. Oy, pass to Campanero. Ang lakas. Malakas. Rebound. Uy, Jericho. Nagulat. Oops. Foul. Ano pangalan? Naka-jogging pants. Mike. Jefferson, teardrop. Mahina. Ay. Turnover. Score is 11-14. 3 minutes and 48 seconds, first half. Papainit. Uy, power moves! Lakas, sayang, Edwin. Mikey. Handling the ball. Pass to Yape. Yape, 2-pointer. No good. Uy! No good again. Card. Check by Jefferson. Steal. Oops, turnover. Check ba? Turnover. Change possession. Elvis, you try. Kick out, Madi. Nilapit pa. Sayang. Mag-isa na. Nice save. Yape, teardrop. Specialty. Teardrop. Favorite shot. Carl, nag-iisa. Oh! Yape. Score, 11-16. 2 minutes and 18. Teardrop again. This time, wala. Mikey, floater. Wemby, downhill, pass to Yape. Kalaban. Walang sumunod. 11-16. Jericho, Namuelsa. Follow up. 2-pointer. 11-18. 7-point lead. 3-pointer. No good. Jericho. Campanero. Pass to Wemby. Wemby. Back to Campanero. Long 3. Long. Carl. Oops. Namuersa. 2 point. Mikey, short. Downhill, Wemby, 2-pointer. Easy basket. By Wemby. 48 seconds, 15-18, 3-point lead. Okay. Dadagdag, oops. Ay! Sinapala lang ako. Nagulat. Lead pass. Oy, 2v1. Turnover. Mikey, dadagdag ng lamang. Oy, sobra. Jericho. Offensive rebound. Ang lakas. Kanila pa rin. 2-pointer. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Oy! Nice shot. 1. Second half tayo. Score is 20-15.
15 lang kami.
Lima lang, lima. Change court tayo, change court. Di mapigilan si Mikey Nepomuceno. Okay, another 8 minutes. Second half. This will decide the game. Foul. Elvis, 3-pointer. No good. Mikey, unstoppable. Jericho, pass to Mikey again. Ang taas. Hindi masupalpalan. Uy! Behind the back. Jefferson. Regain possession. 3-pointer, no good. Mikey, 2 points. Dami possession ng mga pila. Mati! Foul. Take foul. Same pa rin ang score, 15-20, 6 minutes and 54 seconds. Makakabawi kaya. Pinuwersa. Lost it. Oy, Jefferson. Sayang. A for effort by Jefferson. This court is brought to you by Sliding Court. Uy, nice shot! Alat, Elvis! Jericho! Nice pass, Yape! Uy! Ano nangyayari? 2 points. Another kalamangan. Welby. Bad pass. Jefferson. Aatake, no good. Open, nice block. Oy, foul. May sabit pala. Kala ko clean block. Mahilig talaga yung si Maddie mag-chase down eh. Mikey. Too strong. Card. Looking. Elvis will try again. This time. No good pa rin. Mikey. 2 points again. 24-15. Nag-iipon. Time remaining 4 minutes and 47 seconds for the final half. 3-pointer, Campanero. Ang lakas na naman. Mikey. Power rebound by Mikey. Oops! Yape. Pass to Jefferson. Nag-agawan. Same ball. Uy, pinas. Jefferson, side step. Uy, kanya pa rin. Jericho, long two. No good. Uy, follow up. No good. Ay, kanila pa rin. Diyos ko. Kulang sa box out. Mati, layup. What's happening? Papainit pa rin. Jericho, pass to Kuyat. No good, ang layo. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 19 seconds. 24:15. Yape. Elvis. Lampensa, no good. Same ball ba? Same ball. Same ball. Wendy, pass to Campanero. Mati steal. Nice steal. Ay, tinira pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Foul. Take foul by Jericho. 3-pointer. Short. Atok pa. Last touch. Mikey. Fifteen 24 pa rin. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Mikey. Rebound. Sige, stop mo. Dead ball. Last 1 minute and 33. 15-24. Oy! Steal! Wendy. Layup! Yun. Kailangan tutukan talaga. 17-24. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Yape. 2-pointer. Malakas. Nadiin. Score. Tingin na. 17-24. 17-26. Mati. Pass to LP. Campanero. Wala pa rin. Malas. Steal. Bad pass. Uy, behind the back. Ang daming behind the back naman. 26-17. Time remaining, 54 seconds na lang.
Ang kinasayang connection. Sila.
17-26. 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, turnover, bad pass. Mati, runner. Wala. Jericho. Yape. Lock. Lock shot. Keverson, 3-pointer. Malakas, follow up. At sisipag, 28-17. Time remaining, last 20 seconds. 20. Umatake, yun. 19-28. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stage players. Si Ace Castro, Baste, Bash, Erwin. Sino ba? Ace Castro, Baste, Bash, Erwin, si Michael. Sino pa? Di pa nakapaglaro?
Hey! Ha! Sheesh! Matite!
Okay. Sino pa? Nalaro mo ba yan? Buhati ka ako. Nalaro na? Sino pa? Ikaw na? O si ano? Ipipilit niya no? Ancheta, wait lang. Sige, dalawa. Dalawa. Kayong dalawa. Ay! Baka ito. Ito. At saka si Bo. Dalawa kaya na. Kayong dalawa. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Mga boys ha, may diet boys ha. Ano yan? Yung mga ano, para may playing time nila.
Pawis lang. Ito talaga ito. Bakit pangalan ko eh?
Bas,
Uy!
Ito ba?
Oo.
Kid po.
Kid.
Sandaan. O dyan, sandaan daw kay Kid.
Wait lang ha. Mga boys. May pilit ito ha. Meron kayong pambayad. Mamaya. Ngayon, 50 pesos ha. Kasi may mga hindi pa tayo nakalaro. Kayo meron? Ikaw din? Okay. Ito ba ito? Sige. Good, good.